Cornwallis is obsessed with this shoelace. She'll keep crying until I play it with her. She's very upset I won't play shoelace. Yeah, you're weird.